Once you've decided what file size you would like to print, go ahead and click on that template. If you've never been in Canva before, you will need to create a login to continue. Canva is free to use for everyone. However, there is an option to upgrade to Pro, which you can try for 30 days if you'd like. Once inside, you will notice over on the left-hand side several selections. You can design a new template, you can use elements, text, but we want to upload a new QR file. So let's go ahead and get that generated. Click the link in the PDF provided to send you over to the QR generator website. This is incredibly easy to do. All you need to do is enter the network name exactly as it is listed in your Wi-Fi network settings. Enter the password with any capitalizations or punctuations needed. Now you need to decide on your encryption type. If you're unsure which one to choose, a good place to start would be the WPA, WPA2. Then generate your QR code and it'll show up on the right. From here, you can decide on if you'd like any framing to surround it, any shapes, colors, maybe you want to include a logo. But for the purpose of this, we are just going to download it into a JPEG. You can see up at the top that now it is downloading and it will be saved into my downloads folder, which you can then easily upload into Canva. Now, once you get back into Canva, you are going to want to select Uploads on the left-hand side and locate the file that you just downloaded to bring it into Canva. Now that we have that uploaded, let's go ahead and enter our custom network name and enter our custom password in case someone doesn't want to use the QR code. And from there, it is as easy as just dragging and dropping that new QR code into the frame that says paste QR code here. And it just regenerates, and now you are ready to download, which can be done in the upper right-hand corner if you click share and then download, and you will see several selections for file types, which you can do JPEG, PNG, PDF. And at this point, it's up to you on your preferred method of download, depending on your preferred method of printing, whether you're going to print at home or whether you're going to go with an online printing program. If you choose to unlock the Pro account free for 30 days, you will have the options to adjust your DPI levels, which will offer you a higher resolution for printing. Once you've decided, just click download and you are good to go.